racetrack? Why did you broke your racetrack, Mom? Why? Why? What's wrong? What did Daddy do wrong?
Here's a punishment.
Daddy was angry at you? Why? What did you do, Mom? Maybe you were so messy. Maybe you were so messy. But it's okay. It's okay to be sad. It's okay. It's okay. Maybe you were the one who is wrong. You have to accept that sometimes we are wrong. And we just have to say sorry. Okay? Are you sorry for what you did? You go tell Daddy, Daddy, I'm sorry. Please don't be angry. Look at me, look at me. Look at me, look at me, look at Mama. Maybe you were making a mess downstairs. It's okay. It's okay to be sad. Come on, let's watch TV. You want us to watch TV? Okay, let's go. Are you okay na? Are you okay na? Are you good na? Smile, smile. Are you okay na? Kiss mo. I love you.
Wait. I think that's an Daddy's mistake.
Whose mistake is it? It is.
It's me.
You're the one who made the mistake, not Daddy. You're the one who made the mistake. Okay. Do you acknowledge your mistake?
Of course.
Okay. Are you going to do it again?
No.
Okay.
Wait. Is this the tablet?